YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today you are now looking at the Every Haircut Challenge. If you're new to the channel, this is where I called out different barbers on YouTube to show every single cut in their clientele that day, alright? This will expose you, alright? It's a lot of people out on Instagram and YouTube showing one cut. You know what I mean? The cut be so nice and you're wondering how they got like that. Meanwhile, it's the hair texture. You know what I mean? How about you start showing those cuts that everybody else don't, you know what I mean? That the difficult side of things, the texture that's not so good, the hair that's not so straight and not so laid and not so, you know what I mean? Just the different diversity of your clientele. We need to see that, all right? And this will expose you if you're not careful. Today, we got Mr. Blends in the building, all right? Don't forget the Z, all right? You put an S, we got problems, okay? Mr. Blends with a Z though, okay? We don't want to hear nothing else, okay? Let's see if he got what it takes to take the Every Haircut Challenge. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, we are back, and without further ado, Mr. Blends. Let's see if you got what it takes. Let's go.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All barbers, Instagram barbers, Facebook barbers, all over the place. I've been watching YouTube, watching a few barbers, subscribe to 360 Jeezy.
Hey.
Appreciate the confidence you put in a lot of barbers out here. There was a challenge you put out, I think, not too long ago of showing all your cuts throughout the day.
Come on now, talk about it.
I personally thought that was amazing because there are a lot of barbers out there just taking one picture.
Come on now, talk.
Or all their pictures throughout the month and just picking the best.
Come on, we just talked about this.
So I took an initiative to try it myself, and I just want to see what everybody thought. I was a little self-conscious to put this video out.
Let go. Straight hair in the building, diversity. Started off blending it out with that bald line first. You already know. Now using the one guard to go up. Probably gonna blend that out. Clipper over comb. That's just how I would attack it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He might have had on a 2 guard. He might have had on a 2 guard. He might have had on a 2 guard. He might have had on a 2. He might have had on a 2 guard. He might have had on a 2 guard. Okay. We need the next step. We need the next step. We see you blending. We need to move on to the next step. Yes, indeed. He's blending out that line. I'm gonna need, come on. Come on. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is simply the Every Haircut Challenge, y'all. I want to see you actually cut, but not the full. I don't want to see your full service, sir. I just don't want to. I didn't ask for a tutorial. Okay, I did not ask for a tutorial. Are you still on this cut? I'm telling you, them gold FX. Them gold FX is gonna get everybody crispy, man. If you ask me, the gold FX, mind you, I'm comparing cordless clippers. You're talking about the gold FX to the Andis cordless T outliners. Man, them gold FX is killing the T outliners. Ooh, okay. Hold on, that was slightly too fast. I would have wanted to see that part, because that was a comb over. You moved slightly. It's funny how It's funny how you took all that long showing us you cutting the hair, but when it comes to the final result, you want to be all quick with it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. From what it was, I liked what I seen, but I should have paused it on you. Next time I'm gonna pause on you, because you're not about to just fly by the after and take this long cutting. You're not about to do that to us. Alright, we see he's a Vikings fan. I don't know too much about the Vikings. I don't got nothing to say. I'm not really like a sports person. I just rep where I'm from. Niners all day. Yes, sir. The blend, it's a good blend, but I see imperfections. I definitely see areas that could be worked on. I want to see the cut full and its finalness. That's a blend. I do see areas, but that's a blend. My bad for keep repeating, that's a blend, but I'm trying to gauge it. I'm trying to look at it like, let me see if I could nitpick at it. All right, this right here will expose them. This cut right here will expose anybody. I'm telling you, this cut right here is hard. It's hard. You can see, especially from the top to the bottom, if you leave that bulk in there, and if you don't really thin it out right, it can really hurt you. It can really make you look bad. So it all depends on how he blended in from the sides to the top. Because as of right now, that bulk on the side that is just not it. But I know he's not done with the cut. You know what I mean? He hasn't even done the shear work on top, which he's taken so long showing the cut, showing him actually cutting the hair, than the end result. I'm gonna need you to show them end result just like you show you cutting the hair. All right, for anybody else doing this challenge, show the end result in its fullness. Don't just be flying by on the end result and then showing heck a effort of you cutting it. All right. But right now, his shear game is on point, man. He's definitely eclectic when it comes to his clientele. I like it. I see where you're going, but I need you to blow drying style. I don't want to that. When I say these things, I don't want anybody thinking that I didn't struggle with this too. All right, but I would like to see more blow drying style. Don't just leave it wet. As of what I can see outside the window, it's not hot outside, so I'm gonna need a blow drying style. I'm gonna need you to blow drying style, because I feel like it would have looked much better if you would have blow dried it. Yes, indeed. I wonder, man, if y'all would just name like the cut that they're going for. I mean, but you don't got to, but it would just make it easier for me. But all right, okay. You showing the cuts real fast. That's a slight ding on him. Mr. Blends, I'm gonna need you to stop talking and cut this out. The editing process, on a lot of you guys failed the editing process because y'all getting too much in. It's the every haircut challenge. This is not tutorial. Y'all going into tutorial mode. Okay, bro. Okay. Alright, we want to see the back of your head. Okay, alright. Yeah. We want to see the back of your head, which ain't got no taper, no fade, no nothing. But we want to see that. We want to see the back of your head, Mr. Blends. That's what we want to see. Okay? You could have went in to Final Cut Pro or the iMovies or wherever you got, okay? And smooth clip, clop, and edit that right on up. Okay? You see how I rhymed with that? Clip, clop, and edit that right on up. Okay, you get what I'm saying. I don't gotta say the full word. You know what I'm talking about. Freehand with the side. Okay, you see that freehand with the. Ooh, that was dangerous. This is dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on now, y'all don't know. Some of y'all don't know that Busta Rhymes. And I bet he don't blow dry in style. That boy freehanding, no, bro. Like clipper over comb, man. Clipper over comb, dude. I mean, freehand, but you just don't look like. I mean, you doing it, but man, this is not a fro. You attacking this like it's a fro. Go ahead and keep clipper over combing, bro. You scaring me. I need you to blow dry style. I need you to blow dry style. All right, definitely looks better than what I thought, but I need you to blow dry style, bro. You can't leave everything wet. That was alright. That was alright. It's alright. Okay. Alright. That's cool. It's decent. The part I would say is a little too wide, but you never know. The client might ask for it just to be a little wider. You know what I mean? You never know. So, can you really judge? Can you really judge? At the end of the day, can you really judge? You be the judge. Don't let the judge be you. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? I'm just talking at this point. Alright, we got some coarse hair in the building. I'm guessing he wants a shadow fade. Alright, bro. Listen. Let me give you some editing tips, bro. All the dead spots, no matter if you're speeding it up, but bro, you gotta at least edit to the beat or something. Oh, okay. I guess it wasn't a shadow fade. I don't know what type of fade is it. Is it a ball fade or? I didn't really. That one.
Yep. Posted a video earlier today. Letting y'all see my work from yesterday.
Bro, I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Very, very talented brother. Follow 360.
That's what's up, bro.
We're showing all your work, like I stated in the beginning. I took the challenge. I showed y'all my work. No enhancements, no nothing. Just clippers, shoes.
Kudos to you not using enhancements, especially.
Please send me back any comments, negative, positive feedback. I appreciate it.
Especially at the skill level, I would say continue not to use enhancements and just keep perfecting your craft. Shout out to Mr. Blends with a Z though. Don't put an S, okay? We got problems if you put an S. I already know he's struggling with that. Like, hey, y'all, I understand y'all sitting here, you know, y'all in the comment section saying, what's up, Mr. Blends? And sometimes I see an S, okay? Don't confuse me with the person with the S, okay? Z's around here. But from what I've seen, I'm going to grade you a C+, even though I don't do pluses and minuses. But you kind of on a borderline of a B-, C+. So I'm gonna give you with the C. I'm gonna hit you with the C+ just off GP. That keep working, keep, like I said, elevate your blow drying style, detail more. Coarse hair, I felt like you could have did that better. There was some areas in that which I didn't know if it was a shadow fade, because I didn't see, I mean, it was a line right here, but I didn't see it go around the ear. It was just little things in the coarse hair that I saw that was just like, it could have been better. But overall, you got the hang of it, man. Yeah, man, I slap you with the C+. Keep grinding, man. Links will be in the description below to my man's channel, Mr. Blends. Thank you for entering the Every Haircut Challenge. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. But I am out of here. It's your boy 360. Y'all like my Martin shirt though? Do y'all like my Martin shirt though? I'm just saying. I'm out. Peace.